Noon Chea, in dark glasses, and Khieu Sampan sat largely impassive as the judgment was read out. For the elderly survivors, some had given evidence during the years the case has been in court, there was relief.
I have been a widow since I was 30. My whole family was killed.
Noon Chea was known as brother number 2, second in the Khmer Rouge hierarchy, while Khieu Sampan was the head of state. The court overturned some of the verdicts from their original trial, but their main crimes against humanity convictions were upheld, as were their life sentences. This case has been important not only for people who were direct victims of the Khmer Rouge to stand up in a courtroom where 2 of its leaders have been on trial and describe how they suffered. It's also been important for a whole aging population of Cambodians who were also indirectly victims of the same regime. There's been criticism of the time it is taking to bring defendants to court, given their advancing age.
You won't find anyone who would say this court is a perfect example. Obviously, some accountability has now been established, and we're not done yet. So there is more to come before we close our doors.
And organisations that have been gathering evidence of Khmer Rouge crimes have been critical of the mounting costs of the court's 10 years in operation.
The documentation center Cambodia have compiled millions of evidence. There's witnesses everywhere who want to become witness. There's over 20,000 mass graves. There's a prison size. It's no security threats. It's all open, all all supportive. And vice, you'll have to spend $260 million US.
But what is incalculable, say supporters of the court, is the example of justice it sets in a country of so much injustice, especially among a younger generation, born well after the tragedy suffered by their parents and grandparents. Rob McBride, Al Jazeera, Phnom Penh.